Ay, hindi ko nagpapaitin.
Nahihirapan ba talaga kayo? Ang trabaho namin hindi pagpapahirap sa inyo kasi mahal namin kayong lahat. Kung hindi namin kayo mahal, eh, wala kayo rito. Diba? Okay? So,
this is the real power of the profession. That in every number you touch, there is a human life you shape. And so today, as you take your oath, I hope you carry this truth. You are not just accountants, you are change makers, you are nation builders. And if you ever doubt your purpose, remember, hindi lahat ng mga bayani may cape, may calculator. Diba? Paano kung Microsoft Excel? Sorry, dad jokes. Before I end this message, let me thank you all again for this invitation.
92.67% is John Elrich Ramirez Gamboa from the University of the Philippines, Diliman.
at matapat kong gagampanan ng buong husay sa abot ng aking makakaya ang mga tungkulin at panagutang iniatang sa isang itinakdang Certified Public Accountant. Kasihan nawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations.
Thank you, Chairman.
Manatili lamang pong nakatayo ang mga CPAs, new and not so new. Yung pong iba ay pwede nang maupo. Please raise your right hand. And together, sabay-sabay tayo, let us recite the oath of a certified public accountant. Of evasion.
I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you.
Tulungan nawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations and welcome to PICPA.
Umikot ako ng 1 oras, tapos nagantay na ako. Yun lang. Yun lang ang pangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon.
You are. And for all 209 new CPAs here, this moment stands as a powerful testament to your journey.
Ang pag-ibig ko ay di magbabago, ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit, ako'y lumalayo.
To everyone, no, congratulations and cheers!